Hello student, here we discuss about PCC and role of PCC in 3-degree alcohol, benzyl alcohol and 3-degree allyl alcohol. God bless you, all the best. In previous video we have discussed about full form and other things. Now in this video we will discuss about 3-degree allyl alcohol sigmatropic rearrangement. Okay, and see this 3-degree alcohol. This is having OH and ET group in this carbon. This is cyclohexane and it is ethyl cyclohexanol, 1-ethyl cyclohexanol. So when PCC and DCM will act on it, there will be no reaction, no oxidation takes place. Means 1-degree alcohol is oxidized to we have discussed 1-degree alcohol group is oxidized to CHO group, aldehyde group. 2-degree alcohol is oxidized to keto group. But here 3-degree alcohol does not oxidizes with the help of PCC in presence of CH2Cl2, that is dichloromethane CH2Cl2. It is also known as DCM. No reaction, no oxidation takes place. So this will be out. Now we will see that there will be this 3-degree alcohol. It is 3-degree allyl alcohol. Oh my God, it will give you this test, and a very 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement takes place. Again I repeat, 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement takes place in case of allyl. This OH group is present in sp3 hybridized carbon, and this is in allylic position, and this carbon is 3-degree carbon, so we will call it 3-degree allylic alcohol. Okay, 3-degree carbon, allyl group, allylic position, so it is called allylic alcohol. And this is a warning. Yes, of course, it will give this test. Here 3 sigmatropic rearrangement will take place, and alpha beta carbonyl compound is obtained. See, there is rearrangement of this double bond and OH will take place. That is why we are calling 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. Okay, here this is oxidizes to keto group. So which type of alpha beta unsaturated ketone it is. Now this is 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. Now there one compound is given in which CH2 grouping is there and phenolic OH is there. What will do? PCC only oxidizes benzylic alcohol, not phenolic alcohol. Okay, so this will be oxidized. CH2H grouping is oxidizes to CHO. This will be done by PCC. This will be failed to oxidize. Now only 1-degree alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde. Phenolic OH remain unaffected. Benzyl alcohol is oxidized to CHO. Benzaldehyde is obtained. Okay, so 2-methyl 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Allylic alcohol also oxidizes to propene.